Welcome to ATP Customs. Just want to show you a 49 Ford F100 I just started restoring. Had the frame blasted and it's just going together. All new brakes, all new brake lines. If you like that kind of work, it's a fun gig. It's simple, new, and easy. So it's an original restoration, flathead, 6-cylinder going back in it. Dunbar Automotive's building it right now. I got a whole ton of new fun stuff for it from LMC. Floors for the cab, we got new fenders for the box. That is a box in a box, I guess. That's got your bedsides, your wood panel, everything to build your box except for the fenders. Unfortunate part is that it comes with rivets and the plates for all the wood are not drilled, so you got to do rivets and drill every single hole, make sure they're all perfect. Not going to be fun, but I guess that's the way original was. So you're going to see this one get built over the next couple of months. Should be done, I'm hoping, for Christmas. Thanks for watching.